am Mirta Papayano. I lived the last years in Chicago, United States. And I had the opportunity to have a surgery in both of my knees. And we did a knee replacement in both of them.
At the same time?
At the same time, of course, the same day. Dr. Salmas was an excellent and is an excellent doctor. I was up the same day from the surgery. I had the opportunity to walk around, and after 2 months I can walk as you showed me, and I feel so good. So I'm very happy that I did both my knees the same day, and now I'm happy for this.